domino. So I'm going to go create sketch and go on this surface here. I'm going to move it so I can see what I'm doing and then zoom in a little bit. So what I'm going to need our slot tool, and we need an overall slot. I'm going to draw this here. Our slot is going to be 22 millimeters long and it's going to be 8 millimeters wide. Now I need this slot we've drawn to sit 10 millimeters from the center, in from the edge, and 35 millimeters from the other edge to the middle. To do this, I'm going to go to my sketch dimension, select the middle and the edge, and I'm going to make that, oh, luckily it is 10 millimeters, so that's perfect. And then I'm going to need to go from this edge, but I can't lock onto the middle, so I'm going to come to this edge, and if we do 35, take 11, which is half the length of the domino, we then have, so we need 35 take 11, which is 24, so 24 millimeters there, and go finish sketch. Now what we're going to do is we're going to extrude what we've just done, and we're going to extrude this. We're going to extrude this 20, negative 20, make sure it's on cut, and that's perfect. So now we've got our little domino slot. Our next thing we're going to do is we're going to create our domino piece. So I'm going to go assemble, new component, and that's fine. And now I'm going to create, could name that, I forgot to name that, so we're going to, yep, so what I'll do is I'll go assemble, new component, and we can name this domino. So I'm going to go create sketch, I'm going to sketch on the bottom plane, and now I can create a 2-point rectangle, which is going to be, I'm just going to draw it over here for the sake of it, and it's going to be 70 by 200. And then we're going to finish sketch, and we're going to extrude that 19 millimeters. Perfect. And then enter. So our next job is to do what we did with the domino and put that on the end piece here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, and I'm going to do create sketch, and I'm going to do exactly the same as what I just did, but to put our domino, so I'm going to go create a slot, overall slot, and it is going to be 22, and it's going to be 8 millimeters out. I'm then going to dimension it, so it's 10 millimeters down, and it is 24 millimeters in. Perfect. Finish sketch. And now I'm going to extrude this cut in 20 millimeter, negative 20 millimeters to make that a cut. And there we have our domino piece as well.